Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset password in iCloud. Let's start! So the fastest and easiest way to reset your password is actually with your iPhone or any other trusted Apple device. And then once you've already signed into your Apple ID, you'll be able to know that it's actually yours. The device is yours. And then if you're gonna be logging in on Mac, of course, you need the passcode for that to set up your device. So how are you gonna reset your Apple ID password on your iPhone? Well, first you need to go to settings. So when you hit on settings and then you would be able to see your name at the top portion of the screen. You tap your name and then go to password and security. And then, so this is where you could see, right, this password and security. And then it would lead you to this page. Once you're already there, just follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. So just tap on the change password, okay? So once I'm there, so there you could enter, my passcode, and then if you need to change your passcode, you just need to put see, let's try that one. So once you're there, yeah, so you just need to put your new password and then you need to verify. So that's, pretty much how you're going to do it. And say, for instance, if you have a new Apple device, guys, and then you aren't signed into your Apple ID, you could always select forgot Apple ID or password or whatever option that would appear. All right. So I hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more about, features for iCloud, you could subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.